Hello guys, fairbinaryoptions.com here. Looking at the euro US dollar as it is back to the 138 level. As you can see, we had a spike to the upside on the previous hour, only to be completely retraced and add some more here in the last hour. However, these levels still look bullish from my point of view, and actually this whole area here looks bullish because the move from the upside to the downside here is fishy. I'm talking about the move that has the gap in there as well. Now I'm not trading gaps, but if I'm looking at the move starting from here to the downside, this is no impulsive move. Being no impulsive move, no wedge, no whatever, then it must be something else. But what? Well, I would say that we have two different corrections, and we should go and take only the clues that we have. Well, first of all, or the first clue is a contracting triangle here that price formed, like this, a contracting triangle, and this contracting triangle broke low. As you can see, the retracement here for this contracting triangle is okay, so it can be either a fourth wave or a B wave or an X wave. Well, this is no fourth wave, as you can see, because we don't have an extended wave for that move. But however, it might very well be an X wave or a B wave. So let's say that this is a B wave here. Like this. Well, if this is a B wave, then definitely we need a wave A, right? The A wave or wave A can only be this one here. And of course, when there is an A and there is a B, it must be a C as well. And there you go, A and B and C for this move to the downside. So what is that? Well, that's a zigzag. What's the move to the upside? It can only be an X wave from my point of view. If there is an X wave and this move here is a zigzag, then the previous move or the move prior to this area should also be an X wave. And then of course another ABC. Now what is the structure of the first corrective wave there? Well, it's an ABC, but the B wave here, as you can see, retraces more than 61.8 when compared with the previous wave A, and therefore there is a flat. So we have here the following situation. This is a flat pattern, then the X wave, and then this is a zigzag. As it looks here and now, we have a double combination, this is being called, providing these lows are not being broken. If these lows are going to be broken like this, then triangle either will make another zigzag, and here and this will have the prerogatives of being a triple, not a triple zigzag, sorry, because this is a flat. Either will make a contracting triangle here, but still would break higher. So I would say that all eyes now should be in this area here. And I would like to buy call options with end of week expiration date, all right? With two different scenarios in mind. First of all, the whole move from the highs to here to be a double combination, and therefore because of that I want to buy call options here and now with the price, because that implies that these lows are going to hold and price should be rejected to the upside. And the second scenario would be that price would actually retrace here and break those lows, and if those lows are going to be broken, then here we're going to form a contracting triangle, and that would be a triple combination. But I would still like to buy call options because price will retrace something like A and B and C and D and E and then move higher. So Another thing that I would like to do is to buy call options when price is retracing to these lows here. If it's retracing to these lows here, I don't know. It looks quite, from my point of view, it looks quite bullish. Now, let's write on the screen what's the outcome here and what we are expecting. Well, we are looking at buying call options. So buying call options with end of week expiration date at this current level. So this is the first thing to do. And the second thing that I would like to do here is to buy call options if price comes into the 137.88 area again, because it means a triple combination, not a double combination. So again, buying call options with end of week expiration date by the time 136.88 area comes. If it comes, of course. If it's not coming, we are not buying anything. Well, that's the scenario, that's the plan, that's the man, that's the fairbinaryoptions.com, and all these are due to our sponsor here, Lionknife. So thank you very much for being here. Keep in touch and make sure you check also lionknife.com besides fairbinaryoptions.com, and all these recordings are going to our official YouTube channel where there are a lot of recordings and educational materials. So make sure you check the YouTube channel of fairbinaryoptions.com. Thank you and bye bye.